Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubit Store is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Kojie Sand Soap. Kojie Sand Skin Lightening Soap is a wonderful skin lightening soap that gently exfoliates, deep cleanses and scrubs the skin to give you a clear, smooth, soft, healthy and even skin complexion. Its main ingredient is kojic acid, a byproduct from the fermentation of sake, soy sauce, rice wine or miso. This soap prevents the formation of tyrosine in the skin, which produces melanin. Kojic acid is a safe and natural bleaching agent that prevents the formation of pigment on your skin and gets rid of dead cells on the top layer of your skin in order to reveal the fresh skin within. It is a nice multifunction soap with effective and strong whitening complex, and also fruits acids to moisturize the skin. It restores, preserves and enhances the skin elasticity without any grease. Kojie Sand is a very strong exfoliating soap. It has a double efficiency in deep cleansing your skin pores and regenerating the skin to make it very refreshed, clear, supple, luminous and healthier. This soap has a thick lather and light fragrance. It removes dead skin cells, blemishes and dark spots from your body, especially the tough areas like the knuckles, underarms, knees and elbows. I highly recommend Kojie Sand Skin Lightening Soap to anyone who wants to lighten up their complexion and get rid of skin problems. It is effective and works in a short period of time. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubit Store. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.